Let's talk about 20 fruits and vegetables that are perfect for your spring container garden.
Hi, my name's Melina and welcome to my channel, Homesteading Farm Life. Our videos are all about homesteading, our 40-acre farm, and our animals. Follow our journey and learn how to homestead on your farm or in your backyard. Be sure to subscribe to my channel by clicking on the link below.
Here in Illinois, it's the beginning of November, and I have to tell you that I am a little sad to see all the green go. However, fall, that's the time when we start collecting the seeds from our plants and our flowers that are done for the season. And if you're a planner like me, you're starting to think about ways that you can utilize them in the spring. One of the things that you can do with all of these seeds that you're collecting this fall is create a container garden for your homestead, your backyard, your apartment patio. Container gardens can really go on your kitchen counter, on your windowsills, anywhere you want and anywhere that you have room. So this morning as I'm collecting seeds, I got to thinking, what are some of the best fruits and vegetables that I can use that I know that I'm going to be successful with my harvest with a container garden? So I made a list of my 20 best fruits and vegetables and I want to share it with you. To have a successful container garden this year, these are the plants that I suggest you planting. Beans, tomatoes, collard greens, lettuce, eggplant, radish, kale, spinach, peas, Swiss chard, cucumber, carrots, garlic, zucchini, peppers, green onions, herbs, all the herbs, beets, potatoes and sweet potatoes, chilies. Now, whenever you're doing your container garden and you're starting these plants, you want to make sure that your containers are the right size. You don't want your plants to be overcrowded, and you want the roots to have enough room to grow. If you're planting vegetables that grow down in the ground, such as carrots and potatoes and sweet potatoes, radishes, you're going to want to have containers that are deep enough for those vegetables to successfully grow and produce you a harvest. Now, I guarantee that by planting these 20 things in your container garden with proper care, light, water, shade, sun, that you're going to be successful and have beautiful fruits and vegetables to eat. Share your thoughts with me. Can you think of any other fruits or vegetables that you can grow in a container garden? I'm always looking for new ideas. I'm always looking for new ways to do things. So please post a picture, a video, or share your comments down below.
Thank you for watching today's video on Homesteading Farm Life. Please share this video with your friends and click that thumbs up button below. If you're interested in homesteading and farming, why don't you join our journey by clicking the subscribe button and then choosing the little bell icon so you never miss a video. Maybe you're interested in more than just watching homesteading videos. Maybe you want to make some homesteading friends. Why don't you join me on Facebook in my Homesteading Facebook group? I will include a link to the group down in the video description.